Is Python still worth learning in 2025, or is it slowly dying out? With AI advancing so fast, is Python even going to be relevant anymore, or will AI simply just replace programmers completely?
The robots are coming! The robots are coming!
If you're wondering whether Python is still a smart choice, you are not alone. With so many new technologies, language, and AI tools popping up, a lot of people are asking, is it even worth learning Python anymore? In this video, I will break it all down, where Python stands today, how AI is changing the game, and most importantly, whether learning Python in 2025 is still a good investment for your future. And stick around because I'm not just going to say, yes, Python is still great. I'm going to give you real insight into what's changing, what's staying the same, and how to make the smartest choice for your career. Hello, my name is Fumilayo and welcome to the channel. I make videos to help beginners learn Python the right way. I know how overwhelming it can be, especially with AI changing everything and people wondering if coding is even worth it anymore. That's exactly why I started the channel, to cut through the noise, share my experience, and help you learn programming in a way that actually makes sense. So if you want clear, beginner-friendly content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, turn on the notification so you do not miss any future videos. All right, now, let's talk about where Python stands today and whether it is still one of the top programming language in 2025. According to TLB, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, index for January 2025, Python has been named the programming language of 2024, reflecting that its sustained popularity and widespread use.
Why? Why is it so important?
But what keeps Python at the forefront? Python is extensively used in various fields, including artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python's simplicity and extensive library makes it the preferred choice for AI and machine learning programs. You use Python for web development and also for data science analysis. Frameworks like Django and Flask enable developers to build robust web applications effectively. And with Python libraries like NumPy and Pandas, Python handles data effectively. Moreover, Python readability and ease of learning continues to attract new developers, contributing to its growing community and resource base.
Which is very easy to use.
In summary, as of 2025, Python remains a dominant and versatile programming language, integral for various cutting-edge fields. Now, let's tackle the question that is on your mind. Is AI going to replace programming?
Look! Robot! 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 Robot!
This is a valid concern. AI can automate repetitive tasks and even generate code snippets, but its creativity, problem solving, and critical thinking that the human developer brings to the table remains unreplaceable. In fact, Python plays a crucial role in AI development itself. Its simplicity and extensive library makes it the preferred choice for AI and machine learning program. Now, what about new languages? Are they making Python obsolete? Languages like Rust, Go, and Julia have gained attention for their performance and their specialized ability. However, Python versatility and massive community support keeps it at the forefront. It is continually evolving with regular updates and vast ecosystem of library that cater to a wide range of applications.
It's just perfect.
So while it is beneficial to be aware of evolving languages and trends, Python remains a solid and relevant choice for both beginners and experienced developers in 2025. Alright, so after everything we've talked about, AI, new programming language, and Python current standing, let's answer the big question. Should you still learn Python in 2025? The answer is yes. Python is still worth learning in 2025, but does that mean that it's the perfect language for every situation? No. If you're a beginner, Python is still one of the best programming languages to start with. It's easy to read, it's widely used, and has an incredible amount of resources available. If you're interested in learning about AI, data science, or web development, Python is a must-learn language. The majority of the AI models, the data analysis tools, the backend systems rely on Python today. However, if you're looking to get into high-performance system programming or game development, might not be your best option. Languages like C++, Rust, or Go might serve you better in those areas. But even if you're choosing another language, Python is still a fantastic starting point because it teaches you problem solving, logic, fundamental programming concepts that applies to any language. So should you learn Python in 2025? Yes, of course you should. Especially if you're just starting out or if you're looking to work in AI, web dev, and data science. Python isn't going anywhere and its ecosystem is still growing. But as always, the best programming language depends on your goal. Pick the right tools for what you want to build. So if you're wondering if Python is still worth learning in 2025, here is my final advice. Too many people waste months trying to decide which programming language to learn. But the truth is, what you build matters more than the language that you use. Python is still one of the best languages, especially if you're into AI, web development, or data science. And even if you want to move to another language later, the skills that you've gained from learning Python would help you no matter what. So if you're thinking of learning Python, go for it. Write the first line of code and keep building, and you will thank yourself later. Now I want to hear from you. Are you learning Python in 2025? Or are you thinking about learning another programming language? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a like. It really helps the channel to grow. And subscribe, turn on the notification. And I will see you next time.